Are you also tired of seeing all of these new skincare products in the market and thinking which one should I buy and how do I save money if I have to spend so much on skincare? Don't worry, this is a full budget friendly skincare guide from someone who has been doing skincare from last 5 plus years. Trust me, you don't really need anything else. If you are suffering from hormonal acne or any other specific issue, please go to a dermatologist as I am not one. First, you will definitely need a cleanser just to wash all of that dirt. For dry skin, I would recommend the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. To save money, you can buy the big bottle on discount on Nykaa or any other website, and it will last you around 1 to 2 years. So, for someone like me who has oily skin, I don't really seem to like the texture of that so much. So, I have been using this simple face wash, refreshing facial wash. You can buy a combo of these at around 400 something from Nykaa during sales, and this lasts me a good 3 months, one single pack. So you are going to need a second cleanser, which will be cleansing oil, because you do need to take off your makeup, and even if you're not wearing makeup, you have to wear sunscreen, and so you will have to use an oil cleanser. I've been using this one from Bioderma. This is a little bit expensive, so if you want something that's in your budget, you can use a cleansing balm from Plum. I will put that up here. You can buy a combo of this from Nykaa or any other website during sales. Which next, you're going to need a moisturizer. So using this Aqualogica moisturizer, and there's always a buy one get one sale going on their website. This is really lightweight and also gives a really nice glow to the face. Good old Nivea is also good. I mean, this is just a basic moisturizer. However, these two options that I showed you have fragrance in them. So if you want something fragrance free, you can again go for Cetaphil moisturizing cream or moisturizing lotion, depending on whether you have dry or oily skin. So you do need one very important step, which I think you know, is sunscreen. So if you want a budget friendly skin sunscreen that gives you a glow, I would recommend any of the Dot and Key sunscreens, or you can also go for any of Aqualogica's sunscreen. Both of these sunscreen have that they do have that effect where they don't leave a white cast on your face, and they also blend really well, and they also don't mattify your face. Even the ones that are for oily skin, they don't mattify your face. If you do all of these steps, I think you are sorted. Now, one more thing that I would recommend is an exfoliation product. So there are physical exfoliators and chemical exfoliators, but physical exfoliation can be hard for your skin. I think in 2025 everyone is using chemical exfoliator, so I don't really need to go there. But if you are someone who hasn't started exfoliation, I would not recommend